High Court Judge Honourable Justice Josephine F. Hinga has sentenced Fatmata Kamara to 30 years imprisonment after she pleaded guilty to the offence of unlawful possession of drugs contrary to Section 8A of the National Drug Control Act 2008, Act Number 10 of 2008. It could be recalled on the 12th day of June 2025 at the Prince of Wales Secondary School compound at Kingtom in Freetown. The convict was caught selling Kush in the guise of cold water and was found in her possession of 40.0 grams of Kush without lawful authority. At the magistrate court, the convict was charged with selling of a prohibited drug without lawful authority contrary to Section 7C of the National Drug Control Act, Act Number 2008, Act Number 10 of 2008, and dealing in a prohibited drug without lawful authority contrary to Section 7C of the National Drug Control Act 2008, Act Number 10 of 2008. The convict at the initial stage pleaded not guilty, and the matter was committed to the High Court for trial. In his plea, mitigation defense lawyer represented the convict C. Taylor Young, Esquire, said the convict is a young woman who did not waste the court's time. He informed the court that the convict is a single mother of 3 and the principal caregiver of her old mother and her 3 children. He assured the court that the convict during her stay at the correctional center had been reformed and is now determined to be a change agent if given the minimum sentence. Prosecuting counsel J.K. Jan Abu said the state relied on the bench to give the appropriate sentence, taking into consideration the nature and seriousness of the offense that the convict pleaded guilty of. Delivering her sentence, Honourable Justice Hinga noted that the convict is a mother of 3 and the principal giver of a family of 6. She said, but that notwithstanding the offense is not only considered as one of the heinous offenses, but one of the principal factors destroying the lives of our youthful population. She noted that sentencing generally is a deterrent aiming at discouraging the public for committing similar offenses and also a means of safeguarding society, especially for dangerous of repeat offenders. On this note, I hereby sentence the convict Fatmata Kamara to 30 years imprisonment, Justice Hinga pronounced. She also ordered that the said substance be destroyed in the presence of the Director of Public Prosecutions or his representative, the Deputy Master and Registrar of the High Courts of Sierra Leone, and other relevant authorities. She further ordered that a destruction certificate be submitted to the court. For Sierra Leone TV, I am Fatmata Kamara reporting.